Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to have chocolate sex.
But what if I don't like chocolate?
Okay, you saw the title. You know what's going on. This is all the ammunition. Let's get to it. It's pie crust, volcano, water, butter. That's it. Make a ball, roll it out, and put it in the pan. Okay, blueberries and brie. Very good combination. Okay, you got a nice little piece of pastry, little mint in there, fold it up, looking good. Okay, now some cherries and something you're gonna roll up with a roll. Nice. Okay, peel fruit, because, you have to. Okay, chocolate sex time. Cocoa, sugar, cream to tartar, equal portions of sugar and chocolate. Or in this case, maybe a little more. And then, of course, coffee. Yeah, you got to, you get the coffee, and you got to swirl it, and you got to mix it. And, of course, it's going to take some time to set because, the sugar has to expand and everything else in it. But that's how you do it. Chocolate sex. Okay, now it's time to get your fruit all ready. Plated up and ready to slice up for it. Get your raspberries. Get your strawberries ready. Okay, get those little pie crust goodies sliced up and into the oven. 325 for 15 minutes. Okay, chocolate swirl sex. Here it is. You know how it happens. And then, of course, the peaches, the mangoes, the black plums, kiwi, and get it all ready to be dressed. Okay, let's dress those plates. Look at that. Brie and blueberries, maple syrup, yogurt, some mint and some fleurettes. Very nice. Now we're going to do the raspberries, yogurt, maple syrup, chambord. Excellent. Strawberries and cream with amaretto di Serrano and chocolate. And then our little cherry bomb on yogurt with Grand Marnier and chocolate. And then we're going to dress our little torte, chocolate and raspberries. Look at that baby. Pretty nice. Oh my, 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 my. I can't tell you how good these things were. So there it is. On the bottom we have our chocolate fruit torte. And then on the right there we have our blueberries and brie with yogurt, maple syrup, and bee balm. On the top we have, from left to right, our cherries with yogurt and Grand Marnier. In the center we have raspberries and yogurt with chambord. And then on the right, nothing could be more classic. Strawberries and cream with amaretto di Serrano and chocolate glaze. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.